JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and we've got the Jolly Rancher here. Hex marks the spot, and behind here goes a skeleton. This is moving, so you don't glue, the axis at all. I'll show you on the instructions, but that moves. And I have it clipped here because I don't want it to spring up, because I have to fix the door here in the back. I'm going to show you on the instructions here, right here. Let's see. See where the door goes on in the back here? It's got two tabs that stoppers. I suggest you put the door and this back panel on first, okay, and get that working. Because if you try to put it on afterwards, you'll never get it. It has to be put on, because there's a stopper for the door when it flings up. When this guy's skeleton comes up and flings up. I'll show you that. This little symbol right here, okay, that means no glue, okay? That little bottle with the line through it, don't put any glue where it indicates on the, like on the door hinge. There's no glue symbol. Also, I showed you on the wheel right here, there's no glue. At the bottom, at the base, yes, there's glue to hold the wheel. The right, this bracket right here. Okay, I've got it. These posts in the back drying. I put posts in because I clipped the part off because I had glued in this part first, the back panel, and I didn't get the door on the hinge on the back panel. So I had to glue these posts in, so when the door flips up, it has somewhere to go, and it doesn't flip. It doesn't go flying. It'll go flying actually off this base, this box right here. So that's why I did that. These are some of the tips I want to show you. It's a two-part base, so this part and this part are two parts. We have to put the two parts together. The rope glues on right there, and then the map will go on here afterwards after you paint it. Now I'm putting it all together first, and then I'm going to paint it. So that's the tips I want to show you. Also, let me get to the point. Hang on. This is pretty self-explanatory. You want to put the elastic on the inside of this skeleton right here, and then just loop it around here until you're ready to install it, and then glue the top cage on. This arm, it moves freely, no glue here, okay, and this glues on to the side here, the knife part. Be very delicate with these. It's very delicate parts, so be very careful working with them. You could snap them or break them, but you could also glue them back together, but you don't want to break them. So then you end up with this look right here with the arm up and the two-piece arm, and you have that rubber band coming down and hooking in right here, and then the axis hooking in right here on this part right here. Then you flip it back. So that's what I want to show you, and if you have any questions on this kit, let me know in the comments below. Please rate, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. You'll be seeing this painted, fairly soon, once I get everything working on it. And I was going to put sound to it, but I just decided not to. I was going to put a sound chip. You can buy them on eBay, sound chips, and then download or make your own recordings for the sound chip. I may add it later on, I don't know. So thanks for watching again. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.